So let's take a closer look at what you get inside the kit. You get 3 of your Meso-Melt needling tips. These are all individually packaged, so sterile and easy to use, and these are all your single-use treatments. You'll find them in the kit just below the roller and ampules. So when you get this, you just need to open up underneath and you'll see them sitting underneath there. These are the needling tips that are made of that solidified active ingredients. There are around 4,000 needles on the tip. So each one of these has around 4,000 of the actual needle points, and these are made from solidified active ingredients of hyaluronic acid. We use a low and a high molecular weight, and 4 different peptides. So the hyaluronic acid we know is a real moisture magnet for the skin, so it really plumps up the skin. It aids with tissue repair, but it also helps to support collagen. We use our platinum matrix peptide, which we use throughout our platinum stem cell range and in clinic. And this combined with the pentapeptide in here really support your collagen production. So they'll stimulate the production of collagen type 1 and type 3, and also the stimulation of hyaluronic acid. So they work really well with that hyaluronic in the needle tip. We also have an octapeptide in here, and the octapeptide targets the same protein complexes as botulinum toxin. So this one works on the muscle contraction, and it helps particularly on the forehead and the eye area. So you can roll right up to the eyes and across the eyelids as well. And then we also have a copper tripeptide in here, which really helps with the healing response. So the reason that we have all of those different peptides is they're all doing something different for the skin. So we've got healing, we've got the minimizing of that movement and sort of frown lines and the forehead, and we've also got that stimulation of collagen and hyaluronic acid. All of those ingredients have been formulated to be in that solid format to actually create those 4,000 needle tips on each roller. So as you roll those on the skin, you're rolling those active ingredients into the skin, and then as that needle tip dissolves, those ingredients we've just talked about are all released deeper into the skin where they can have a real effect. Let's take a closer look at our brand new formula, power-packed Pep⁸ Stem Cell Serum. So you get 3 of these ampules in your system, so you'll use one with every treatment. This is a super concentrated serum. We've got 8 different peptides in here. You've also got hyaluronic acid, and we have a 24-hour moisturizing ingredient in here, and gardenia stem cells. So we're really focusing on the rejuvenation, smoothing, plumping of the skin. The reason we've got 8 different peptides is because we've put together all the different elements of activity that peptides can do, because they don't all do exactly the same thing, to make sure that we're focusing on everything within the skin. So for example, we have peptides that will stimulate collagen production. We have peptides that interfere with some of the signaling within the skin, so they will help to minimize sort of muscle contraction. They work really well for lines and expression lines, particularly in the upper part of the face. We've also got peptides in here to specifically focus on the eye area, so targeting puffiness, dark circles. So it's really a broad spectrum look at the skin and the overall face, and combining 8 different peptides we believe gives us this multi-pronged approach to giving you, no matter what's going on your skin, the best results that you can. So you're going to take your concentrated dose of Pep⁸ Stem Cell Serum and just break open the ampule, holding it with a tissue so you don't cut yourself on the glass. And then inside here is that concentrated serum, which is deliciously sort of textured. It has this wonderful sort of, I don't know how to describe it. It's a viscosity, we would talk about it, but it has a lovely gloopy texture, mainly from the concentrations of that hyaluronic acid. This feels great on the skin when you've done the needling all over. You put this on, and then this can actually drop through the microchannels in the skin that you've created with the active needling tips to deliver those 8 peptides, the hyaluronic, the moisturizing, and the stem cells, deeper into the skin at that level that the needling tips have opened up the skin channels for. So this is something that you would use within every treatment for that extra rejuvenation, hydration, and all of that peptide activity to really make the skin look fresher, younger looking, rejuvenated, smoothing the texture of the skin, helping the skin to appear firmer, helping with any unevenness on the skin. And you can take this also right up to the eyes and onto the eyelids as well.